weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a clean with me. I haven't cleaned my house in over 2 weeks. I know it's sad, but not clean it, but deep clean. Like, my husband's been home and I've devoted all my time to him because it's very rare that he's home for 2 weeks in a row. So I just took advantage of that. So in today's video, it's going to be a lot of deep clean motivation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine as long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time.
Okay guys, so I have a question. When you decide to deep clean your home, where do you start? I like to start off in the kitchen because I feel like it gives me the motivation I need to continue. Because if I was to start somewhere else, say for example my bedroom, I would just get lazy after I'm done and be like, no, because no one is seeing that except for me and my husband. And versus the kitchen, you know, everyone's there, you can see it, and it just gives me the motivation. So comment down below and let me know, where do you start off when you decide to deep clean your home?
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red
Okay, so
lights.
for my stove, that's my baby in this kitchen. Like, I love this stove, but it's a pain to clean. It's just like, I can't keep that thing clean no matter how hard I try. But I've been keeping up with it. It gets dirty really fast, especially when my husband is in the kitchen cooking. He just does not care. So how I clean my cooktop is I spray this little homemade thing that I made. It's like Fabuloso water, a little bit of bleach, and then I put the barkeeper's friend on there, and then I spray the homemade cleaner on top of it, and then I smear it all over the cooktop with my fingers, and I just let it sit.
Repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I'm still scrubbing that cooked up.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under.
Okay guys, so every single person in our home has a chore. Destiny and Jordan has dishes. Jason has bathrooms. Jaxson has the floor, and Maddie's just in charge of making sure her room is clean. So it helps with taking the load off of me, and I really appreciate them.
Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Have more than 4 chairs in the dining room, and Rob broke them with his foolishness. So we only have 4, and they're wobbly. So we need to change them out, but I haven't decided what color I need in here. I love the black, but I would love to do something different. Comment down below if you know of decent chairs that will not break when you sit on them. Thank you.
Always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep
you guys are enjoying this cleaning video because I'm not. I'm the one doing all the work, and I hate deep cleaning, but this is not even extreme deep clean. This is just deep clean to get me through the week until I actually deep clean the house. I hope that makes sense. Comment down below if I'm making sense to you. If not, just keep on going.
Like a warning, could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so close.